Intensive grazing. Mimic natural animal grazing to achieve sustainability. Grazing downs meaning grasslands. We could not put it any simpler. Intensive grazing is time consuming, but not at this intensive grazing specialist. Down in the description box there's more information on intensive grazing. With state-of-the-art equipment, our systems can establish intensive grazing in just a few acres to several thousand acres. This process is done, if done correctly, will improve your soils and yields. But do not take more than a third off the crop or grasses, and be sure to aerate the subsoils yearly and lay down cover crop seeds throughout non-productive seasons. These three main key points are vital for any intensive grazing purposes. If you need a specialist in this field, feel free to contacting the sales team directly below in the description box. For more information on intensive grazing, our team can show you why intensive grazing is the world's leading food source for animals and humans.